Another 60 seconds with Jack today, ladies and gentlemen. Today was boring at school. School felt boring and long. Then this day got went on and on. It got slower. It felt slower until 3 o'clock, and then I got to come home. And then I come home and watched a YouTube video, cleaned up garbage. Millennial farmer. Go subscribe to him. Giving him all my subscribers as well. He's a farmer. Shit's happened to him. He needs fucking shitloads of money. I want to say, too,